and pretty much a stock car. I'm just doing a quick review on this car today. Nothing really too fancy, but I will do after this. I'm trying to wrap it up quick before the sun goes down so I can do a POV driving this car. My very I'm just doing a quick review on this car today. Nothing really too fancy, but I will do after this. I'm trying to wrap it up quick before the sun goes down so I can do a POV driving this car, my very first POV. So this car's not gonna get no like nice cinematic shots. It's gonna get instead a POV shot. So I'm gonna do a POV driving around up in the hills here where I live, and that's all this car's gonna get. Basic review, no cinematic shots, just my honest thoughts. I've had the car for about I want to say over a week now, and I've been driving it every day. And then yeah guys, I mean, I would say it's a really comfortable car, really economical, really fun car to drive for the price. And yeah, it's a Ford, you know, the ST trim. It's nice having the turbo and the 6-speed trans. So this is the Recaro package, so I'll show you guys what the Recaro package comes with. So I'm not sure what the color code or the color is on this paint, but when I got the car, it was heavily damaged with water spots. So it had really bad calcium stains on the paint. So I clay barred the car and polished it. I mean, it's not perfect. You still got you know, swirl marks in it. You still got a decent amount of scratches in it. I just did it to get the water spots out because that really bugs me. As long as the paint has a deep gloss and you can see the flake, this car has a flake inside of it. So as long as it has the flake, I was fine. I just wanted to get the really hard water spots off. So inside the car right here, like I said, this is a Recaro package, which means it has Recaro seats. They hold you really tight, really comfortable for daily driving. I like them, but these need to be cleaned a little bit. The Recaro package comes with heated seats, and then this comes with the ambience lighting as well. So there's lights on the interior right here, this button, and it changes colors. LEDs under here, LEDs in the cup holders, LEDs under that dash, and LEDs right by the feet down on the floor. So this one comes with the Recaros and the LED interior lighting. I believe the rear seats are different as well on this package, the Recaro package. They match the front seats. But other than that, this car has a Boomba blow-off valve and Boomba wing risers as well. So as you can see, the wing risers are right there lifting up the rear wing to give it more of an aggressive look. But other than that, the car is stock exhaust on it. I didn't upgrade the exhaust. I'm honestly planning to take pictures of this car right now. I'm gonna put it up for sale. I just wanted to try out the Fiesta because it's a really small car. I already have a Honda Fit and that's what I use, but I wanted to get this car on the channel and show you guys around and give you my honest thoughts. Really happy for the car. I like it, I enjoy it. Really good purchase, but I'm not gonna keep it. Not really for me. I mean, I just keep the cars moving. I don't really get attached to one of them, but I got another project coming out soon, so I'll fill you guys in on that one. I'll show you guys the trunk space as well. Decent trunk space. I got some detailing supplies right here, tripod, visor, but there's still room for more stuff. It's decent. Really similar to my Honda Fit that I have. Another shot of the interior. I was reading up that the powder coating on Focus and Fiesta cars doesn't last that long. Once you chip them, they tend to peel a lot more. So the powder coating is really messed up on this side, on these rims. If I was going to keep the car, I would get some different wheels anyways, but if you're looking for one, I would check the wheels, because a lot of them I seen when I was looking at these cars had really chipped wheels. I don't know if it's from the factory or is it just the ones that I was looking at, but the wheels don't look too good on this. Like, the paint doesn't hold up well the powder coating. Let me show you guys under the hood. Alright guys, here's a look under the hood. Pretty much stock. Everything is stock on here besides the blow-off valve, and I'm pretty sure the blow-off valve is somewhere back there. I don't know how the setup is for the turbo on this car, so I couldn't tell you all the specifics, but no intake, stock intake, everything is completely stock, just maintenanced. But really good motor. I like it. It's not incredibly fast, but it is quick. little gas saver. It's fun. 6-speed trans. Clutch is really comfortable, but yeah, it's a really fun car to drive every day. I would recommend it if you're thinking about buying one. I prefer this over the Focus. It's a really small car. Alright guys, there it is, my 2014 Ford Fiesta ST package. Like I said, I like this one over the Focus. If you're gonna buy a compact car, I think I would go with the smaller car versus the mid-size, which is the Focus. But it was a really fun car. I'm not gonna keep it, but I'm gonna hit you guys with the POV driving so you guys can see what it's like to drive this car. But thanks for watching guys, and if you're looking for a Fiesta ST, I'd recommend you go and buy one. It's a really fun car, good on gas, and so far it hasn't given me any problems even though I drove it for a week. But it feels really nice and sporty and well made. I really enjoyed it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video.